A solemn welcome. What exactly has happened? 2 days ago I made a video telling you to the moon. I was sharing all the signals and news updates relevant to this. But after that suddenly there were some developments in the market. After that not only BTC which had made its all-time high but Ethereum was also near its resistance. This was the only resistance. Ethereum was almost making its new all-time high, but after that there was a panic in the market. Which were those two major developments? I will share with you in this video. There is a panic in the market regarding Ethereum. I will also share that with you. But from the time I made the video till now, if we take a look at the total market cap of the crypto market, then more than 90 billion has exited from the market in the last 2 days. Crypto has been out of the market. Why has there been a panic in the market? If we talk about Warsheets investors, we saw an outflow in Ethereum yesterday. About $59 million. If we talk about BlackRock has also invested $338 million in yesterday's panic situation. They're investors, while if we talk about USBTC spot ETF, there too we saw a total net outflow, which is 14 million. What is this development? If we talk about the price of BTC, then BTC is trading in the range of $1,750 at this time when I'm recording the video. You might remember that I made a video 2 days ago and hinted to you that it is quite possible that BTC makes a slight correction and the price touches the CME gap again in the range of 119,000 rupees to 117,000 rupees because market experts believe that whenever this gap comes, it is inevitable to fill it. So, at this time, when I'm recording the video, this gap has been filled and at the same time, if we talk about Ethereum, then as I mentioned in the beginning, it was very close to making a new all-time high. Also, due to the pressure that happened yesterday, this price also crashed down near the resistance. Now the price of Ethereum pulled back from its resistance and right now it is near its support. Let's hope that the panic in the market settles down and even after that the price of Ethereum can try again. It can test its resistance and break it. But there is a major development in relation to Ethereum. You have to consider that as well. I will share it with you in a little while. But why is there panic in the market? You can see this in the background. Scott Patton is the Treasury Secretary of America, if I am pronouncing it correctly. He came to the mainstream media and announced that the American government, i.e. Trump management, will not buy BTC from the market. You will remember that America had made the announcement in the context of strategic reserve. So there were rumors, news, there was a thought. There was a belief that perhaps the American government will pass some law from the market and take BTC from the market. And because of that there will be a FOMO not only in America but in the whole world. There will be a state-driven FOMO in which other states and other countries will also think that they will also keep their strategic reserves in BTC. Now, the Bitcoin gamblers, I would call them gamblers, have been disappointed by his statement. Remember that the demand for BTC is still there. The fundamentals of BTC are still strong. But whenever any hype is created in any market, when there are strong fundamentals, then there are not only believers but also gamblers. So I feel that after this statement, the gamblers have become more panicky compared to BTC investors. Now because of that, you saw panic again in the entire market. Anyway, according to my assessment, this is a Treasury Secretary who has shared his mindset. Now if one or two people from the Trump management team also give a similar statement. Well, another one named Bose, who was the head of Trump's crypto team, has also resigned, I think. Couple this with that, there is panic in the market that what is going on in Trump management there. Earlier, he had talked about increasing his strategic reserve. Right now they are saying not to buy. So if they don't buy, then how will they increase the strategic reserve? That is the same method. They will catch the criminals and whatever BTC and crypto they get from them, they will keep it in their strategic reserve. But the gamblers who were Bitcoin maximizers were not expecting this. They were saying that they will give some policy statement regarding buying. Anyway, you have seen its short-term impact. Now as far as I think, no further confirmation or any completely opposite opinion comes in this regard. The price of BTC can remain stalled till now. Like I said, there is demand for it. No one knows how quick its short-term impact was supposed to be. It has already happened. After that you will see the market recovering again. And anyway, the interest rate cut that is to be made next month will also leave its volatility and impact on the market. Now let's come to Ethereum. For the last 4 days, There is panic on social media about assets worth more than 3.8 billion of Ethereum which are going to be unstaked. There are rumors about it. Now different speculations are being made in this. I will tell you what my analysis is, but what are people thinking? Some people are saying that more than 883,000 Ethereum is being unlocked. It will be dumped in the market, so obviously this is a big amount of 3.8 billion. If all of it is dumped in the market, then the price of Ethereum can go down significantly. And secondly, you also see that these stakers of Ethereum are those who had bought Ethereum quite old and staked it. So now they want to do profit taking. So because of this is also an analysis that profit taking is happening in this market. And when it is unlocked, it will all be dumped in the market. Apart from this, there is another opinion which has more weight. He says that there is so much demand for Ethereum in the market that to fill this demand, the market will absorb all the Ethereum that is 3.8 billion or more, and there is a reason for this. You will remember what I told you in the beginning about institutions that even in yesterday's panic situation, BlackRock's investor has invested another 300.38 million. Apart from this, other institutions are also buying PTC. Bitcoin has bought another 1.130 lakh Ethereum. So not only is the demand of institutions increasing, but the supply of Ethereum on exchanges is also becoming the lowest. Lowest in history. So when there will be no supply, and you will remember this, 2 days ago I made a video and told you that the supply of Ethereum is also decreasing in OTC desks. So, the more Ethereum is unlocked, the market can easily absorb it. And even if it does not absorb it for a while, then in my view this is the best buying opportunity for you. Don't miss this opportunity. The more it crashes, the better it is to buy it. I am saying this for myself. Don't take it as a financial advice. Okay? Another market update. Solana's ETF was delayed again by SC in the month of October, and Grayscale also applied for DJ Coin's ETF, and there is also a major development in terms of PiCoin. PiCoin has started its hackathon. This means that it is a kind of activity or an event in which all the developers come together and introduce their respective blockchain apps, etc. So for this, now to increase the demand of Pi Network, the Pi team has announced its hackathon. And its dates are, I think it will start from the 15th of August. Registration has already started, and in these 4 days till the 21st of August, people will register their respective teams, those who make different blockchain games and apps. Here and after that the final submissions will be done by the month of October this year, and maybe one of these apps will come out which will create demand for Pi token. And remember, due to lack of demand for Pi token, there is a lot of pressure on the price of Pi token, and I feel like this, because they have no utility on the blockchain, there is no demand at all. That is why they are looking for more developers by doing hackathons. They are trying to find out the utility of their token. So again, be very careful. Maybe you will get an opportunity again in Pi token to get an exit from here. Okay, now some major developments are happening in the market with respect to stable coins, which is very important for you to know. Gina, you will remember that in the last few days, many crypto-relevant companies have done their IPOs in America. I told you about Bullish. After Peter T., the current Gemini exchange also intends to do its IPO. In this way, I feel that instead of investing in the crypto market, the focus of investors can now go towards investing in the companies that are running crypto. Remember this, okay? So if you get an opportunity somewhere, such crypto companies that do their shares, etc. IPO, of course in America or any country, then you can also explore profit taking by investing in it. Okay? Apart from this, G-Circle has also announced to launch its L1 chain. That will be a stable coin-centric chain by the name of ARK. Similarly, Stripe has also launched its own L1 chain in collaboration with Paradigm, which will also be a stable coin-centric L1 chain. Okay? Apart from this, Metabus has also announced the launch of its stable coin, which will be named MUSD. Okay? Lastly, Kwon has pleaded guilty, and in the entire crisis of $40 billion, he has been fined a few $1,000,000 and he can be sentenced to 12 years of imprisonment. Okay, this was my latest news update of crypto market today. I hope this video of mine was informative for you. Please allow me till the next video. Allah Hafiz.